The handheld gaming market is locked in a brutal, high-stakes war, and a new king has just arrived to claim the throne. For years, the dream of true, uncompromised PC gaming on the go was nothing more than a fantasy. We were told that fitting AAA performance into the palm of your hands was physically impossible, a thermal nightmare that battery tech simply couldn't support. Then came the disruptors. But while early handhelds made us compromise on graphics, frame rates, and resolution, one name stepped up to completely rewrite the rules of mobile dominance: the ASUS ROG Ally. It was a bold, hyper-powerful statement that shook the industry to its core. But in the world of cutting-edge technology, standing still is the fastest way to die. Rivals retaliated, boundaries shifted, and gamers demanded more. Now, the next chapter has officially begun. This is the story of the ASUS ROG Ally 2, a machine engineered not just to compete, but to absolutely obliterate expectations, pushing the absolute limits of what a portable gaming powerhouse can do. To truly understand the massive leap forward this device represents, we have to look back at the chaos of the first-generation handheld boom. When the original ROG Ally dropped, it felt like a glimpse into the absolute future. It brought a breathtaking 120Hz screen, a devastatingly fast AMD Z1 Extreme chip, and the promise of playing your entire Windows gaming library anywhere on Earth. But it wasn't a perfect victory. It was a first-generation product, and it carried first-generation scars. Gamers loved the raw power, but they were haunted by a battery that drained faster than sand through an hourglass. Windows 11 felt clumsy on a small touch screen, and minor hardware quirks left the community craving a refined, ultimate version of the vision ASUS promised. ASUS didn't turn a deaf ear to the feedback. They went back to the secret labs of the Republic of Gamers, took every single complaint, every piece of community data, and every engineered vulnerability, and completely tore down the blueprint. The result isn't just a minor incremental upgrade. It is a calculated, aggressive evolution designed to conquer every single flaw of its predecessor. The very first time you feel this machine in your hands, you instantly realize that everything has changed. ASUS didn't just tweak the casing. They completely re-engineered the physical architecture of mobile gaming. The ergonomics have been masterfully sculpted. The grips are deeper, more substantial, designed to melt into your hands during intense, hours-long gaming sessions. Every single button click, every trigger pull, and every analog stick movement has been tuned with microscopic precision. The joysticks feature advanced anti-friction rings and cutting-edge modules designed to completely eliminate the nightmare of stick drift, ensuring your aim remains flawless whether you are navigating a treacherous open world or locking onto an enemy in a competitive shooter. The face buttons are snappier, the D-pad is completely overhauled for flawless fighting game inputs, and the macro buttons on the back have been sleekly repositioned, so you never accidentally press them in the heat of battle. It feels less like a piece of plastic consumer tech, and more like a high-end, custom-built weapon tailored for competitive dominance. But the real magic, the absolute soul of the ROG Ally 2, lies deep beneath its aggressive exterior. At the heart of this beast is a custom, next-generation AMD processor built on a hyper-efficient architecture that completely redefines mobile silicon. This isn't just a minor clock speed bump. This chip utilizes